Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fayaz, Ahmad, teacher, HS Gundchabutra. In today's virtual class, I am going to teach 7th class students, and our topic is sentence. Before going to the sentence, let me remind you that we have 26 letters in English from A to Z, but we have only one alphabet. This is a little bit confusing, as many students say that we have 26 alphabets. That's quite wrong. These 26 letters collectively, they form a single alphabet. So in English we have a single alphabet of 26 letters. Now what are these letters? These letters are symbols in which a language can be expressed or written. It is because of these 26 letters that we are able to write the English language, or we are able to read the English language. So these letters, these are the symbols in which a language can be expressed or written. Like I have written so many things over here. It is because of these letters. So these are the symbols. Among these 26 letters, 5 letters which include A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels, and the rest 21 letters which include B, C, D, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, etc. These are called consonants. So among these 26 letters, 5 letters are called vowels, which include A, E, I, O, U, and the rest 21 are called consonants. It depends upon the sound that they produce. Now these letters, they combine to form words. For example, B, O, Y. These 3 letters combine to form a word called boy. T, H, I, S. These 4 letters combined form a word called this. W, H, A, T. These 4 letters combined form a word called what. I, S. These 2 letters combined form a word is. Sometimes a single letter can be a word like a. Now what is this word? A word is a single unit of language that has meaning and can be spoken or written. It is a single unit of language, and it has meaning, and it can be spoken and it can be written. Now these words, they combine to form sentences. For example, T, H, this is a boy. These 4 words combined form a sentence. This is a boy. This is a sentence. So what is this sentence? We can say that this sentence, it is a group of words. Just like this sentence, it's a group of words. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 words in this sentence. So it is a group of words which makes complete sense. So this group of words has a complete sense. This is a boy. It has a complete sense. It has a meaning. It gives us meaning. Hence we call it a sentence. Let's take this example. This is also a group of words which consists of the same sentences as in this group. Can we call it a sentence? Boy is this? No. Although it is a group of words like this, here this is also a group of words, but the only difference between these 2 groups of words is that this group of word gives us meaning and this group of word has no meaning. So Sentence is a group of words which has meaning. This can be called a sentence, but this cannot be called a sentence because this group of words has no meaning. So first, sentence is a group of words. Here we have a group of 4 words. Second, this group of words has to be a meaning. So sentence is a group of words which gives us meaning or which makes complete sentence. That's called a sentence. Now remember one thing, sentence always starts with capital letter. Sentence always starts with capital letter and it ends in either full stop or note of interrogation or note of exclamation. So sentence always starts with a capital letter and it ends in either full stop or note of interrogation or note of exclamation, depending upon the type of sentence. So we have many kinds of sentence. Let us discuss them briefly one by one. First is the assertive sentence. Those which simply affirm or deny something, which accept or neglect something, those are called assertive sentences. Now we have 2 words here, affirm and deny. Those sentences which simply affirm or deny something are called assertive sentences. And depending upon the situation, if we affirm something, then these sentences are called affirmative, and if we deny something, they are called negative. So assertive sentences are those which affirm or deny something. These assertive sentences are of 2 types. First is the affirmative sentence, second is the negative sentence. Affirmative sentences are those which affirm something and negative sentences are those which deny something. For example, I am a teacher. I accept, I affirm that I am a teacher. It is a assertive sentence and it is affirmative because I am accepting the fact. I am not a student. I have written 2 sentences over here. I am a teacher, I am not a student. In the first sentence, I accept, I affirm that I am a teacher. In the second sentence, I deny. I deny that I am not a student. So when we are talking about assertive sentences, these are those which affirm or deny something. They are of 2 types, affirmative which affirm something and negative which deny something. Then we have interrogative sentences. These are those sentences which ask questions. For example, what is your name? Where do you live? Where do you live? In the same way, where are you? We can have so many questions. How are you feeling? How do you do? These are interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which ask questions. So let me tell you that these affirmative sentences, they end in full stop. I have already told you that these sentences start with the capital letter and the sentence ends in either full stop or note of interrogation or note of exclamation. All assertive sentences, whether they are affirmative or negative, they start with capital letter and end in full stop. Now interrogative sentences start with capital letter but they end in note of interrogation. So those sentences which ask questions, they are called interrogative sentences. In the same way, exclamatory sentences, those sentences which express some sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, or surprise. They are called the exclamatory sentence. For example, what a beautiful rose. Alas, he is dead. These sentences they express either a joy that we are happy, they express sorrow that we are sad, they express our surprise that we are surprised with some by something. These sentences which express these things, happiness, sadness, or surprise, joy, sorrow, or surprise, they are called exclamatory sentences. They end in note of exclamation. Either they end in note of exclamation, or they have note of exclamation after the word which shows us the joy or surprise or some sudden feeling. For example, what a beautiful flower. Alas, he is dead. Then we have another kind of sentence that is called the imperative sentences. These are those sentences which express command, request, wish, etc. Leave the class at once. For example, this is a sentence. It's a group of words and it has meaning. It is a command. I am asking you to leave the, I am asking you to leave the class. So it is a command, and this type of sentence it is called imperative sentence. Lend me your pen. It is a request. I am requesting you to give me your pen. So this is a request, and these sentences they are called imperative sentences. May God bless you. It is a prayer. So this type of sentence is sometimes called the optative sentence. Optative sentence. Optative sentence is these are those sentences which express prayer or wish. Prayer or wish. May God bless you. This is a prayer, so we call it an optative sentence. So let me repeat. We are discussing sentence. We have 26 letters in English, but a single alphabet. These 26 letters collectively form a single alphabet. These 5 letters A, I, O, U, they are called vowels, and the rest are called consonants. Letters are the symbols in which a language can be expressed or written. These letters they combine to form words. Word is a single unit of language that has meaning and can be spoken or written. These words they combine to form sentences, and the sentence is a group of words which gives us a complete sense. These sentences are of we have different types of sentences. First is assertive. Assertive are those sentences which simply affirm or deny something. There are two types of assertive sentence. First is affirmative, which affirms something like I am a teacher, and negative, which denies something, I am not a student. So we have interrogative sentences, those which ask questions, what is your name. Then we have exclamatory sentences, those which express sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, or surprise. Then we have imperative sentences, those which express command, request, wish, etc. This is all we have we have to discuss in today's virtual class. In the next class, inshallah, we will discuss the two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. Then we will discuss about clause and the related clause, etc. So till then, stay blessed. Thank you.